So I am here at a budget level lodge here near Bwindi Impenetrable National Forest. And as you can see, even a budget level accommodation in this area comes with an immaculate view. It's absolutely stunning. Let me now show you inside the cabin. I'm on my way to my room. This is amazing viewpoint here at the Bakiga Lodge. All of these rooms have apparently a beautiful view overlooking the valley here, where we are at near Bwindi Impenetrable Lodge. So, unbelievable view. It's beautiful.